Hey everyone, and welcome to the Super Safety Quiz. Are you ready to test your brain power and become a total safety superstar? We're going to see what you know about staying safe and healthy, and we're going to have some fun doing it. It's pretty simple. I'll pop a question on the screen, give you a few seconds to think, and then boom, we'll go through the answer together. Sound good? Awesome. Let's get started. Okay, for our first part, we're talking all about being safe when you're on the move. So here's your very first question. What is the purpose of traffic rules? Why do we even have them? Take a second to think about it. And the answer is to keep everyone on the road safe. That means people driving cars, people riding bikes, and even people just walking around. Traffic rules are kind of like the rules of a game we all play together to make sure nobody gets hurt. You're off to a great start. All right, question number 2. I bet you see these signs almost every day. But what do they actually mean? What do the stop sign and the yield sign tell us to do? Let's check it out. A stop sign means you have to bring your car or bike to a complete stop. We're talking wheels not moving at all. Then you look around and go when it's clear. A yield sign is a little different. It means you slow down and get ready to stop, letting other people go first. So remember, stop means stop and yield means be ready. Got it? Okay, next up. Let's think about what you do every single time you hop in a car. Can you name 2 super important safety rules you have to follow when you're a passenger? I know you've got this. And you got it. It's always wear your seatbelt and keep the doors locked. That little click you hear when you buckle up, that's the sound of safety. It holds you in your seat just in case. And locked doors make sure they stay shut while you're moving. So always click it and lock it. So what if you're not in a car? You're just walking around. The word for that is a pedestrian. So what are 2 rules for a pedestrian to stay safe while walking? Imagine you're walking to a friend's house. What do? Yes, the 2 big ones are always walk on the sidewalk, away from the cars. And when you need to cross the street, you do the safety dance. Look left, look right, and then look left one more time. That last look to the left is a super good habit because that's where the cars closest to you will be coming from. All right, all my bike riders out there, this one's for you. When you're cruising around on 2 wheels, what do you need to do to stay safe? Give me 2 safety rules for someone riding a bicycle. Here they are. First, you've got to obey all the road signs, just like a car would. That lets everyone know what you're planning to do. And number 2, and this is a big one, always wear a helmet. Your brain is the most important part of you, and the helmet is like its own personal bodyguard. Okay, this is the last question for our On the Move section. Let's say you're taking a bus or a train. Can you name 2 rules for being safe when you're using public transport? What do you need to remember? And the answer is, stay a safe distance from the edge of the road or the train tracks. And once you're on board, grab a seat and stay there until you stop. That way, if the bus or train stops suddenly, you won't get knocked over. Amazing job on part 1. You guys are rocking this. Incredible work on road safety. Now, let's switch gears. Ready for part 2? This one is all about feeling great and staying healthy and clean. So, for your next question, what does the word hygiene mean? It's a bit of a fancy word. What do you think? Did you figure it out? Hygiene is just all the stuff we do to keep ourselves and our homes clean so we can stay healthy. Think about it. Washing your hands, brushing your teeth, keeping your room tidy. That's all hygiene. It's like having a superpower to fight off germs. Speaking of fighting germs, let's think about your house. Where are the top spots for germs to hang out? Name 2 places at home that you should clean pretty often to keep those germs away. You got it. The floors, the bathrooms, and the kitchens are all super important. It makes sense, right? We walk on the floors, we use the bathroom, and we make our food in the kitchen. So yeah, keeping those places clean is a huge part of staying healthy. Now, those little germs, they're pretty sneaky, and they're always trying to travel from one person to another. So how do they do it? What are 2 of the main ways that germs can spread? And there you have it. Germs can spread through contact, like giving a high five or holding hands, and they can also fly through the air when someone coughs or sneezes. That's exactly why covering your cough or sneeze with your elbow is so smart. It stops those germs from going on a trip. Now, sharing is usually a great thing to do, but there are some things you should really keep just for yourself to stop germs from spreading. Can you name 3 personal items that you should never, ever share? Absolutely. You should never share your toothbrush, your towel, or your water bottle.
These things touch our mouths and bodies, so sharing them is a super easy way to share germs, too. It's much safer to keep those things all to yourself.
Candy, soda. They're yummy. But what happens to our teeth if we have way too much sugar? We all know it's not good for them, but what does sugar actually do to our teeth? That's right, it can cause tooth decay. Basically, the sugar feeds tiny germs in your mouth, and those germs make an acid that can poke little holes in your teeth. And those holes have a name you probably know: cavities. So enjoying a treat is okay sometimes, but you've got to brush really well afterward. Okay, team, you've done an absolutely amazing job. We are at the final question of the whole quiz. Are you ready? For the last one, what does the word malnutrition mean? It's a big word, but a really important one. And the final answer is malnutrition means your body isn't getting enough of the right kinds of healthy food it needs to grow up strong and have lots of energy. So it's not just about eating food, it's about eating the good stuff: fruits, veggies, proteins, all the things that fuel our bodies. And that's it. You have officially completed the Super Safety Quiz. Give yourself a big pat on the back. The biggest thing to remember is that being a safety superstar is all about making smart little choices every single day. Keep it up, and you'll help keep yourself and everyone around you safe and healthy. You did an awesome job.